Oh, you know, we're having fun.
I'm sorry, Jack. I don't know how to fix it. Maybe the train's too long. Maybe there's too many cars on the train. I'm sorry, honey. Life can be very frustrating sometimes, honey.
This is so neat.
Yeah, I know. I mean, I don't really know.
Daddy, this is how to check a 6.
Maybe there's too much friction on the rug. The train's maybe too long. Oh, look, it's moving. Looks like you did it.
Yeah.
Oh, you're very good, Jack. Uh-oh, it's too hot. It broke. Maybe that's the weak magnet in the middle.
No, go.
Oh, no. Oh, look, you're doing. You're fixing it. You're really good, Jack.
Really good.
You're really good.
Very good.
You're such a good kid.
What push?
You're figuring it out.
Get this. What push? Push now. Push. No. Push now.
It looks like it's working. It's working! You did it, Jack! You did it! You made a train all yourself. Very good. Whoa! Careful!